Hey, good afternoon. This is Neil Semper Futures, and it's Monday, kicking off the expiration week of this month. So that is a consideration, at least for me, for the week, because what happens a lot of times is that the market gets a little soft into the end of the latter part of the week prior to an expiration week, but then sort of firms into the expiration. So for that reason, we were a little bullish today. We were targeting 45.11/12. Never got there. It traded about 8 or something like that. But here's why. So if we snap a fib from Thursday's high to Friday's low, which, by the way, remember we were targeting 64 last week. It traded 60, so we got that target. But if you notice here, the 45.11, call it 11.12 area right there is a 618 retrace of that break. And so that's why we're targeting that. And then from there, what I want to then consider will be this guy. I'm going to go for that trip. And then up to 11 or 12. And then look at the possibility of a break then that will take us down tomorrow for turnaround Tuesday / maybe, I don't know, turnaround Tuesday, get it down into something down here below Friday's low. I would, that would be nice if so, because we'd know where to start to look for the overhead at 11. I would know what to target at least. I don't know if it's going to do this, but I would certainly know what to target. I would target about 44.43 or 2, and then get hella bullish, like mega bullish, into an uptick for the trade higher into the, like Thursday, Friday into the expiration. So that's my main plan for right now. From here today, trade up to 11.12, look for overhead. If it does break, then I'd be looking down here to 44.40, like something 2, 3, and then bullish into Friday into expiration. So it's the idea for right now. Besides that, we kind of like the idea of maybe this 64 area basically holding. It doesn't have to hold to the tick. Obviously, it traded 60 last week, but something like that, kind of holding and trading back up a bit into at least an expiration. All right, take care. Good trade until with you again on, I think, Wednesday.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me